Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Bend, and I wanted to answer the question, how can I support my hormone health? Uh, Both men and women need their hormones to be in balance. Women need testosterone as well as estrogen. Men need estrogen as well as testosterone. So, one of the ways that you can support your healthy hormones and estrogen specifically is essential oil called clary sage. It's available at most essential oil sales companies, but mainly it's there for you to help support your immune system as well as your uh, your antifungals. It's soothing. It supports estrogen and health. It's considered food grade, so you can actually put it in your water or mix it with some honey. It's called clary sage. It also has some other benefits, not limited to what I'm saying, but there's more things that can help with throat health. It helps with dry skin, ulcers. So it's very helpful for insect bites, for instance. So essential oils are sort of a forgotten way of helping your body restore itself. Being a chiropractor, I'm always supporting natural healing. I'd much rather take a fish oil or an essential oil over something that's going to give me side effects like most pharmaceuticals will. So clary sage is one of those oils that you can consume that, or you can inhale it, because aromatherapy is very beneficial. You can go through your sinus cavity and have benefit from the essential oils as well as ingesting it. So there's lots of ways you can consume oil or get it into your body, but it is considered food grade. So that being said, it's a warming oil, it's antifungal, it's soothing, it's good for throat health, dry skin, ulcers, insect bites. It's one of those things that will support hormonal health and balance. I'm Dr. Amy Bond. If you have any more questions about these oils or general health questions, I'm available at Arroyo Grande Chiropractic, and you can email us anytime. Thank you.